Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to uninstall JupyterLab installed using Python on Windows. First, we need to check if JupyterLab is installed in the system. For this, press Windows R to open command prompt. Type cmd and press enter. In the command prompt, type the command pip space show space JupyterLab and press enter. So this command will show if JupyterLab is installed or not on the system. So scroll up. So here you can see all the details of JupyterLab is listed. So this confirms that JupyterLab is installed in the system. Okay, so now we need to uninstall JupyterLab. To uninstall JupyterLab, type the command pip space uninstall space JupyterLab and press enter. So this will ask to proceed. So press Y and press enter. Okay, so now JupyterLab is successfully uninstalled. So now we need to verify if JupyterLab is successfully uninstalled. To do this, type the command jupyter space lab and press enter. So here you can see on the last line of the output, Jupyter command JupyterLab not found. So this confirms that JupyterLab is uninstalled successfully. Next, we need to delete the leftover files as part of cleanup. For this, press Windows R and type APPDATA within percentage and press enter. So this opens the APPDATA roaming folder. Here we need to delete the folder Jupyter. So select the folder and press delete key to delete it. Next, press Windows R and type user profile within percentage and press enter. This opens up the users folder. Here we need to delete the folders .jupyter and .ipython. So select both these folders and press delete key to delete it. Okay, so now it is deleted. So these are the folders we need to delete if they are present as part of the cleanup. I have also prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.